dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I do keto vlogs. I do hauls, meal preps, reviews, and basically just kind of let you follow me around. If I do something new, follow my life and my kids' life. I'm just trying to stay keto. Today marks my 1-year keto-versary. I will link my first video of why did I almost just get teary-eyed? I will link my video of explaining why I started keto up here. Yeah, 1 year ago today I decided to start keto. So it was, I want to say October 29th, I had a doctor's appointment last year. I went to the doctor. Basically, my doctor called me fat, and it really pushed me. That being called fat and having somebody say those things to me, it hurt a lot. And I was already, I had been uncomfortable in my own body forever, for years. I hated the way I looked. I hated looking at myself in the mirror. It was not often that I enjoyed what I seen back. I never thought that I looked nice. I never thought that I looked pretty. I didn't care about what I wore. I didn't care if I brushed my hair. I didn't care if I brushed my teeth. I didn't care about anything. I was depressed. I've had a rough past. I have a video explaining my past and my domestic abuse. I've overcome a lot of things, and it was time to overcome and tackle the weight issue. I still have plenty to lose. I still want to lose another 50, 60 pounds to be at my goal weight. But I have stuck with this for a year. And sometimes I get comments of people saying like, well, you shouldn't drink this or you shouldn't eat that because it has this. And yeah, it may not be 100% keto friendly. And I may have only lost 78 pounds where other people have gone above and beyond that. And I know that if I were to cut other things out and stop so much snacking and doing these things, then I would too also be at over 100 pounds lost. I know that, no doubt in my mind. But the way that I'm doing keto has helped me sustain it, and it has helped me stay on keto, and it has become a lifestyle. I don't think of it as a diet like I did when I very first started. When I very first started and I thought of it as a diet, like, oh, I can't have this, and oh my God, I can't have this. And then once I started realizing like, well, I can have this, and I can just take this out of it and put this into it and do it this way, it really became a lot easier and a lot less stressful since I recently decided to stop tracking my food, and I've just been intuitively eating. And from time to time, if I'm not sure what something has in it, I'll look it up in Carb Manager. But for the most part, I don't track anymore, and I know I'm losing weight. Is the scale telling me that? No. My pant sizes are telling me that, and that's okay with me. Now, if I really felt the need that I just really needed, I wanted to get back on that scale going down, those numbers going down, and I was tired of not reaching my goal weight and I wanted that goal weight now, definitely I would start tracking. I would try to be more strict. But I am just living this life the best that I can, and you know, eating much healthier and keto friendly ways. Am I every day in ketosis? I'd like to say I am for the most part. I don't often go eat something that would even be like too high of carbs or anything like that. Like I stay to eating pretty much the same thing. So I know what I'm eating. Do I have days where I eat an entire Lily's chocolate bar? Yes. And I mean, could that kick me out of ketosis? I mean, I guess it could if it put me way over my carbs. Have I had cheat days? Yeah, I've had a couple of cheat days in my year. Do I regret them? I did at first. I don't regret them now. However, I don't enjoy doing them. I don't feel well when I do it. So I don't necessarily enjoy it. So I don't often do them. And I always plan it if I do it. I never just, although I did take a bite of pizza a couple weeks ago. That was definitely not planned. But I felt like crap after it. So, I mean, is it worth it? It's up to you as a person. And as I always say, keto is a lifestyle. And I truly believe that. So don't, with the holidays approaching, I'm not saying go out and just eat all the things. But if you feel like you want to enjoy Thanksgiving dinner with your friends and family, like a regular Thanksgiving dinner, there's no shame in that. As long as you know that you can get right back to keto. Now, if you're one of the types of people that you know that if you were to do that, then it would be a struggle, then don't do it. You know yourself better than anybody else. For myself, I know that if I eat a cheat meal, I'm going to go back to keto because I've made this decision that this is my life now. I've been doing it for a year and I never plan on not being keto. I think it's okay to enjoy a meal with your family in a celebration or for a holiday or something like that, a birthday, whatever. It's when you start making those choices and you start doing it every day, then you're like, hey, wait a minute, let's reel it in. And you might want to get a little bit strict. But that's how I've lasted a year on keto. I've just accepted it as this is how I'm eating now. There's no, well, maybe I'll go keto tomorrow. No, this is how I eat. This is how I eat. So, anywhere I go, you can always eat keto. It doesn't matter if you go out to eat, whatever. Every place has something that you can turn keto. It may not be the best thing or may not be what your fellow person sitting next to you is eating, but you can make a keto option anywhere you go. So, along with that ramble, the twins have a birthday coming up. Their birthday is on Tuesday, November 5th. So I have to figure out what I'm going to get them. I know they want like an Xbox gift card, and I really wanted to get them new handles for their Nintendo Switch. Their handles are both broken, so they aren't, actually the Nintendo Switch isn't even turning on now. So that was pointless to get handles if the whole thing is broken. Anyways, I don't really know what I'm going to get them. I know they want an Xbox gift card, and they wanted like they wanted a couple of books, and I don't know. Yeah, I need to figure it out for them. They don't want much, so that's good. And then after I handle their birthday, then comes whenever I have extra money, I'm going to start doing my Christmas shopping. That's my plan. So, this is the part of the video. If you're new here, I'm sorry for all of that rambling. Please don't thumbs down. My name is Nacine. I'm 37. I have 4 kids. They are very beautiful. I have a floofy fluffy husky and 2 kitty kitties, and I love the clicky clickies. Those are thumbs up. Helps my channel grow, helps me get out into the YouTube universe and meet amazing people like yourself. This is the part of the video where I show you what I'm having for lunch and tell you what I did for breakfast. I was starving this morning and I did not eat anything. I wanted to. I almost grabbed a keto bar, but I didn't. I did eat a strawberry keto bar last night though, when we got back from trick-or-treating, which was horrendous. That was so cold, and it snowed last night. Ugh. Anyway, so this morning I had 2 cups of coffee. I had the Frankenbones by Bones Coffee Company. Amazing. If you haven't tried them, there's always a link in the description to save $5 off your first box. And almond milk and pure, and some MCT powder. And then my second cup was just a regular Colombian roast K-cup that I wanted to use up. And then a tablespoon of a new flavor of Omega Power Creamer coming out that I can't tell you about yet. And some Pure. And then for lunch, I have eggnog keto chow because I'm ready for Christmas time now. What did I make this one with? Same as always. 4th cup of walnut oil, 4 to 5 ounces of almond milk, and the rest water. I have to say, eggnog is one of my favorite flavors of keto chow. It really is. It's very delicious. So I've rambled off enough. I'm gonna drink my keto chow and I'm gonna reply to some comments, watch some YouTube, and I will talk to you guys after work. Bye. Hey guys, all right, so update. I got the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star palette, the Conspiracy palette. I'm so excited. Oh, it was so freaking like insane. Chris was refreshing and trying to get it for me while I was still at work, and he was in, he had it in his cart, and then the site crashed, and then he did it on Morphe's website, and then their site crashed, and then he kept doing it for like another hour, and then I kept telling him like, don't refresh your page, stay here and you will get it. And then it kicked him out of the line, and then it did that to him on the other website. He's literally the best boyfriend ever because he sat there and did that knowing, like, hating makeup, hating the whole thing, and he did it just because he knew that I wanted it so much. Yeah, he doesn't even like the YouTuber, but he knew how badly I wanted it, and he kept going up until he had to go to work. When I got off work, then I continued to try, and I got it. I got it after... with a combined total of him and I doing it, it was around almost 3.5 hours. The website was just overloaded. Their websites all crashed, and it was just insane, the amount of people. And I knew it was going to be probably the biggest makeup launch, if not ever, in a very long time. So, I just bought a game for Reese for his birthday early because his birthday's on Tuesday, so he's all happy about that. And I gotta try to figure out what we're doing for dinner. I have literally no idea. All of our meat was frozen. I have eggs and bacon I'll probably end up making. I really wanted like Wendy's, but I think I'm just gonna make like eggs. I don't know. Do you ever get in those moods where like nothing sounds good? Literally nothing. Oh, I also started to take down all of our Halloween stuff already because it's over. I got it all sitting on the counter and I got it piled on the table. I hung up my little sign. Yeah. I got chicken out, but it's frozen. And I am drinking a cup of coffee. Oh, and I had enough points from you guys ordering bones that I was able to order the Christmas flavors for the first day that they were released. So that's exciting. I'll be waiting for those to come in a couple of weeks. So I'm gonna sit here and continue to try to figure out what the heck we are gonna do for dinner, and I'll update you. All right, so dinner is Wendy's. Yes, I forgot to ask for it plain, but I gave Corey my bun. He made a double-decker sandwich because he's obsessed with carbs, I guess. I got a side salad with Caesar. We went to Big Lots because Reese and Peyton are staying the night. They're having their first sleepover. And we needed to get them some pillows because their pillows are, trust me, you don't want to see them. So they have their pumpkin pie Quest bars for $1.75, so I got one of those. And then every time I go to Big Lots, I always get their max bags of pork rinds for $1. So got 2 of the spicy buffalo and 1 of the barbecue. They didn't have any of the originals, which I usually get, but I like to dip these in sour cream or guacamole, whatever. But this is dinner tonight, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.